Good morning, guys. My name is Alex and I represent ETORROS Ltd. Today I'm excited because I just received my Kelly Controls controller 7218ST because it has a display as well for my bike, and I'm going to do a small unboxing and let's see what's inside the kit. You can order this from me as well. Just contact me on WhatsApp and I'll be able to help you and have the delivery sent directly to you. I will try to do it with one hand, though it's a bit harder. This side. Okay. I love how Kelly they pack their items. They do it properly and they use a lot of foam inside so nothing gets damaged during the transport, and the boxes, they are very thick as well. So they use a lot of foam like this, which is very good. Sometimes I keep it and I use it in my projects as well. So first of all, I think here is the display for sure, and I think in here is the controller. So I will start first with the display, for which you get the power button, the long wire. All right, let's take them this way on the other side of my disc. You get a lot of rubbers to be able to fit the display onto your handlebars. You get the screws, 4 screws, 3 screws, and this is the display, the 750C display. This is compatible with Kelly Controls, but when you order, you have to ask specifically for the controller with display, and I will tell you why. Okay, so in here I have the controller, which comes exactly like this. Again. Well, I did ask for 2 Bluetooth modules and they sent them exactly like this, as you see. And this is the adapter. They kind of changed their module. It was different before, but now it looks like this. Nicer. Looks better, from my opinion. Well, this is a must. This is the cable that connects with the display and the controller. So this is an adapter. I'll show you in a second. You have more plugs in here to be able to set up your controller, to wire your controller. All you need is a crimping tool. They provide you all the plugs and everything. Plus the wires on the controllers, they are all numbered, so you have numbers which will help you to identify which wire goes where. And again, as mentioning, this is the controller that has the display, and this is the ST model, and it comes with a plug like this. The controller that doesn't have the display, it comes with a different plug. It comes just with a plug like this, similar to this one, if you can see it properly. Okay, one more protection. They really do it nice. And what do I have in here? It's a 7218ST. T again comes from the model that has the display. And this one is 200 amps phase. Don't be, how do I say? The 200 amps, they come from the phase amps. They are not literally the battery amps. This is rated 120 amps battery. So the maximum discharge rate from the battery is 120. But I'm telling you from my experience, sometimes you will go a bit higher than that. So when you build one of your projects with Kelly, be sure that you have the right battery for it, because this is capable of a lot of power and can drain a lot of amps from the battery as well. So as you see here, it comes with this type of wires. Of course, I usually cut them, and then for the power lines I use a QS8 plug, which is capable of over 120 amps. They are these are the phase wires for the motor that go with the motor. They're pretty thick as well, so they can handle the 120 amps battery. Okay, all being said, I think that's all. I'm just gonna put this in here. Let me just strip down this cover as well so you can see the controller much better. Yeah, it looks pretty nice. It's sealed on each end, if you can see. They're not very big. In my case, they are not very big. I don't know what to compare it with. So I have a Samsung S20 in here, and you can see the sizes of it. So basically a bit my phone. It's a bit bigger than the controller itself. It's longer, let's put it like this. So you have a size comparison. Okay, all being said, that's the new system that I'm gonna fit on my green bike, and I'll have that ready possibly in like 2-3 months, because I'm ordering all the parts together, and then I do have to work a lot on it. The battery will require a lot of time. But yeah, in the meantime, if you want a controller like this, contact me on WhatsApp. I'll be able to have them sent directly to you from the factory. It takes up to 5 days after the production to be delivered to you. Cool. Thank you so much for watching. ETORROS Ltd signing out.